Remember to subscribe to Bad Bank's YouTube channel for easy access to all our how-to and inspirational videos. Welcome to Bad Bank's 5-minute introduction to processing credit card and bank statements. This is the picker window, where we will select credit card and bank statements. You can select one statement to process, or you can select dozens of statements at a time. Up to 48 statements can be uploaded into a group, and you can run as many groups of 48 simultaneously as you want. You can scroll down to see everything you've uploaded with this side slide. I'm going to remove some of these statements and only upload 3 to process for this demonstration. You can see the number 3 in this circle. If you wanted to add more, you could select more by clicking here, or you can go back to view or edit what you have selected so far. When I'm ready to process this group, I click on Upload. Once they are uploaded, they will appear down here in the processing window. I had already processed and exported this American Express statement, so I can click on the group box and delete it by clicking on this little trash can. You can collapse and expand groups by clicking on these arrows. Each group is assigned a unique 5-digit code. You can rename this group that is a better description of your group when you export the results. As the statements finish processing, the status for each PDF statement will turn from analyzing to complete. If you get an X instead of a check mark, it could be that your PDF is a photocopy, not a bank-generated PDF file, a fraudulent statement, or perhaps a picture of your cat. Any file that doesn't process does not count towards your usage, and you will not be charged for it. If you get a gray check mark, the statement has some sort of reconciliation error. If you get a green check mark, your statement had no recognizable problems. Badbank's AI extracts all of the transactions from each statement and reconciles that against what it finds as the beginning and ending balance. Badbank will report any reconciliation error here. In this example, there are no reconciliation errors. All of the transactions and the reconciliation information will be contained in the output that you will export. Badbank gives a coded name to each statement that it processed so that the output files can easily be matched to the original statement that they came from. That name is made up of what type of account it is, for example, checking or credit card, the last digits of the account number, and the date of the statement. This will be relevant when we look at the output files. Badbank.ai also confirms for you that it has found the statement date, the bank, the account number, and the type of account. When you are ready to export results, you can select individual statements, however many you want, or select the whole group. With your selections made, you simply click on the export icon. You can also delete any rows or groups by selecting them and then clicking on this little trash can. In the next video, we will learn more about the output files for a group, which includes individual statement output files, as well as a file that combines the transactions from all the statements by account in your group. You can always check your usage by opening up this top right hamburger menu, which tells you your current usage out of the statement runs that are a part of your subscription. It will also tell you if you have exceeded your included monthly allotment and now have any metered usage charges, which will be billed at a per statement rate. To see the estimate of your upcoming bill, click on Billing in the hamburger menu, and then on the next page, click on View Details to see an estimate of any charges. This will show you the quantity of statement runs that are included in your monthly fee and any overage statement runs. You can also see which credit card is on file. Use this back button to return to your dashboard. If you want to explore changing your subscription, go back to the hamburger menu and click on Subscription. You will be taken to a Badbank pricing table, which reminds you what your current subscription is and enables you to look through other options and easily upgrade or downgrade as you want to with a click of a button. It is easy to adjust to your changing processing needs. Anytime you want to get back to your dashboard, click on this dashboard button. In the hamburger menu, there is also a link to frequently asked questions, alphabetized by topic, with answers. Most of the topics have links to helpful tutorials on Badbank's YouTube channel for more in-depth information about your topic or question. If you want to manage aspects of your account, click on your account icon in the top right-hand corner. Here you can sign out or manage aspects of your profile like adding a photo or adding additional email addresses. And there is also a security section, which enables you to easily change your password or even delete your account. If you delete your account here, everything about your account will be canceled and erased, and so you would have to sign up again if you wanted to use Badbank.
Now move on to Badbank's introduction to output files. Remember to subscribe to Badbank's YouTube channel for easy access to all our how-to and inspirational videos.